What official record do not tell from this vast corpus and records we can get to know a lot, but we must remember that these are official records. They are tell us official thought what they were interested in and what they wished to preserve the prosperity. These records do not always help understand with other people in the country and felt and what behind their actions. For that we need to look elsewhere. When we were begin to search for these other sources, we find them in plenty. Though they are more difficult to get than official record. We have diaries of people, accounts of pilgrims and travelers, autobiographies and important personalities, and popular booklets that were sold in a local bazaar. Our printing spread, newspaper were published, and issues were debated in public. Leader and reformer wrote the spread their ideas. Poet and novels wrote to express their feeling. All these sources, however, were produced by those who were literate. From these we will not able to understand how history was experienced and lived by the tribals in the peasants, the workers in the mines, and the poor on the streets, getting to know their lives in more difficult tasks. Yes, yet this can be done if we make a little bit efforts. When you read this book, you will see how this can be done. मतलब हमारा इतिहास हमें ये बताता है कि पुराने समय में हमारे इतिहास में क्या क्या चीज़ें हुई हैं, कौन कौन से राजा आए, कौन कौन से आक्रमण हुए, कौन कौन सी मतलब लोग उस टाइम कैसे अपना जीवन बिताते थे, अब नए उसमें किस तरह से हम रह रहे हैं, क्या क्या टेक्नोलॉजी हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं, इन सारी चीज़ों के बारे में हमें बताते हैं. उस टाइम लोग पढ़े लिखे नहीं थे, इस टाइम पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं, और उस टाइम हिस्ट्री हमें उस टाइम के लोगों की बातें बताती हैं कि उस टाइम पिलग्रिम्स और जो ट्रैवलर्स थे वो कैसे आते थे हमारे देश में, और वो किस तरह से अपनी जीवन कथा ये सारी चीज़ें लिखते थे. लोकल बाज़ार कैसे होते थे, और मतलब जब न्यूज़पेपर का आविष्कार हुआ तो प्रिंटिंग कैसे हुई, उसका जो पब्लिशिंग हाउस था वो सारी चीज़ें कैसे बनी, इन सब चीज़ों ये सारी चीज़ें जो हैं वो हमें क्या बताती, इतिहास के ही बारे में बताती. ओके, so students, our first chapter is finished here. Here are some questions, so you can do in your notebook. This is your question answers, so you write down in your notebook. What is the problem with the periodizations of Indian history that James Mills offer? Mills divided Indian history into 3 periods. Mills ने इंडियन हिस्ट्री को 3 भागों में डिवाइड कर दिया था, मुस्लिम, हिंदू मुस्लिम एंड ब्रिटिश. द periodization has its own problem. It is difficult to refer to any period of history as Hindu or Muslim because a variety of faiths exist simultaneously in this period. It is also not to justify the characterize arranged through the religion of the rulers at the time. What it suggests is the lines and practice of other do not really matter. It is worth mentioning that even rulers in ancient India did not all share this same faith. While the British preserves official documents, the British preserves documents because of these following reason. Any information of proof, any decision can be deduced from preserved documents. The preserved document reveal the progress made by country in the past. One can study the notes and reports which were prepared in the past. Their copies may be made and used in modern times. Documents were helpful in understanding social, economical and history of these times. How will the information historian get from the newspaper be different from the found in police reports? The information printed in newspaper are usually affected by the views and opinions of the reporters, news editors, etc. But what historians find in police reports are usually true and realistic. So students, this is your question answer. do in your notebook. Thank you and take care.